Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the unable to install printer error code 0x00000c1 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this tutorial should apply for all major manufacturers of printers like Canon, Epson, Brother, HP, Xerox, for example, just to name a few. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to actually go on to the manufacturer's website of the printer in question and download any applicable software package that is available. And those packages are pretty good. You just download them to your computer and it usually instructs you step by step of how to set up your printer, which is what the first thing I'd recommend doing. Second thing you can try as well, if that didn't work, which, I mean, honestly, that usually works for everybody, at least from my experience, it's the best way to go about it. Something else you could try as well would be to power cycle both your printer and your computer. So just go ahead and restart both of those devices and then attempt to connect once further. Something else we can try as well would be to open up the search menu, type in printers. Best match, come back with printers and scanners. Go ahead and open that up. And then where it says add a printer or scanner, select add device. Make sure your printer, if it's a Wi-Fi based printer, make sure it's already connected to your network. So if you had to configure the settings, go ahead and make sure it actually has access to your network, and then Windows should be able to pick up on it here. And if it's unfortunately unable to load it, or it might be an older printer, you can select the add manually button and then walk through the prompts here. Like I've shown in other versions of Windows, it's pretty straightforward. You select the correct port that it's currently connected to, and then you just would walk through the process here. One further thing we can try as well, if you open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, under options, select other troubleshooters, and then underneath most frequent, select the printer troubleshooter and then the run button. If it's able to identify the problem, it should be able to figure it out at this point. And if it can't, well then, like I said earlier in the video, I would recommend going on to the manufacturer's website or consider contacting their support. And hopefully they should be able to get your printer back up and running, or at least installed. I think that's the point of this tutorial. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.